weche ma bende gintiere jotend riwruok ma jopuonj KUPPET bade ma Bungoma ogoyo kiful dhorange mag skunde sekondar ma yudore e boma ma Bungoma kaka yo mar dhiro piny owacho mondo winj duond jopuonj. Kotelni kod jagoro margi Austin Luketelo. Jopuonj koni piny owacho osebedo ka tugo kodgi tuk paka gi oyieyo kochakore higni mag 70 ka jod bura to siko ka medore osara. Giseyo jowetegi mantie e riwruok mar NAT kuom chungo ng'anyo kinde ma jopuonj pod kale midhiero mathoth e pacho ka. Giramo ni okang' ok gibidok chien kendo gibidok e tich nyaka chop dwaro mar medo gi osara kendo chwalo gi lemo malo mag tich.
It's unfortunate you are not part and parcel of the suffering of the teachers. In fact, you are not appreciative. You think what you are earning as NAT officials is what the teachers are getting in this country. It is unfortunate for the national officials of NAT to come up and say that you've agreed. What agreement do you agree?
Nothing.
Verbal agreement. There's no written agreement to ensure that teachers are to get what they get. Even as we are talking at the moment, teachers have not earned their salaries, which was the promise.
Coward.
So we do not want to be part and parcel of the cowardness of NAT. And I want to tell my colleagues in the primary sector, teachers who are affected, who are suffering like teachers in KUPPET, come forward. We participate in this strike together. Let your officials remain in those offices in Nairobi. Teachers who cannot be the slaves in our own country. And the principals, you are members of KUPPET. Kindly do not force any teacher to go to school. To all the schools in Bungoma County, the strike is on and live.